Let's talk about 24 genus of freshwater puffer that exist in this world. Today we'll go over the Clomessus and Tetradon genus of pufferfish. Get ready because you'll probably learn about a new pufferfish in this video, and they are all freshwater. First, let's start in South America with the Clomessus genus. We have the popular South American puffer, also called the Amazon puffer. This is a hyperactive schooling fish species which requires groups of 6 minimum and a metric ton of snails. They do swim fast and eat a lot and have quite fast growing teeth. For that reason, you need a lot of snails. There are other species in this genus, but this is the only commonplace species in this genus. Next, we'll travel to northern Africa and learn about the Tetradon genus. First, let's talk about the Mabu puffer and Fahaka puffer. These species are quite different but do have size in common. The Mabu is not super aggressive but can be nippy and can grow up to 36 inches in length, with smaller being typical. And the Fahaka puffer is often highly aggressive, especially with males, and can grow up to 18 inches in length, with smaller being more typical. Then further south in the Central Africa region, in the Congo River Basin, we have 3 species of pufferfish: the Congo puffer, the spotted Congo puffer, and the Dubois puffer. The Congo and Dubois puffer are considered ambush puffers which bury in the sand and eat fish typically. They have slower growing teeth compared to the other species mentioned. These are highly aggressive species and typically recommended to be kept by themselves as a solo fish. They will likely eat any other fish you try to put with them. Luckily, they don't get too big. The Congo puffer maxes out at 6 inches and the Dubois puffer at 8 inches, so they stay a manageable size. Then we have the popular and very expensive spotted Congo puffer. They used to be very rare in the hobby and even more expensive, but with captive breeding surging, they become more available. Sadly, their price hasn't come down and likely won't for a while. These can be kept with a variety of species, unlike many other pufferfish, but stay away from excessively fast fish and excessively boisterous fish. You don't want the puffer to become aggressive with boisterous fish or become outcompeted by fast fish. So if you want this puffer, stock your tank around the puffer. Then there's last of the Tetradon genus, the Cross Rivers puffer. This is another expensive and rare species of pufferfish with a temperament similar to Fahaka puffers. They are similar enough to be commonly referred to as the expensive and colorful Fahaka puffer. As you can see, they have more vibrant red and yellow color compared to the Fahaka, though they only grow to 8 inches max instead of the 18 inches of the Fahaka, which makes them much more easy to keep in captivity. But they can still be quite aggressive, especially males. And make sure to follow for the next part of the pufferfish series, where we'll go over the Carino Tetradon genus of pufferfish.